And I think the problem of road traffic accidents is becoming a big problem. We've been losing many people, including here in Western Kenya, and also other parts of the country. You're aware yesterday we lost close to 16, 17 people in 2 different accidents. One in Bomet, we lost 5 people. Another one in Voi, we lost 12 people. Road traffic accidents are becoming a major killer in our country. In fact, road traffic accidents are now equal to their epidemics that we've had before. In other words, nimesema ajali za barabarani, wale watu wetu ambao tunapoteza barabarani, zimekuwa nyingi katika taifa letu la Kenya. Tumepoteza watu wengi. Mwaka uliopita tulipoteza watu 3,900, 3,900. Mwaka uliotangulia 2022 tulipoteza watu 4,600. Kila mwaka takriban watu 4,000 wanakufa kwa sababu ya ajali za barabarani, na wengi, maelfu, wanaumizwa, wanakuwa vilema kupitia hizo ajali za barabarani. Wengi wamelazwa hospitali, familia zao zimeuza mali, wameuza kila kitu kwa sababu wamekuwa vilema kwa sababu ya ajali ya barabarani. Time has come for us as a country to crack down on all the errant drivers, to crack down on all unroadworthy motor vehicles, and also to enforce the traffic laws of our country to the letter, to avoid these needless deaths. Today, road traffic accidents are competing with epidemics in terms of the number of people that we are losing. Between 2020 and 2022, we had COVID-19, a terrible epidemic. In those 2.5 years, between 2020 and 2022, the people who died out of COVID-19 were 4,600 people in 2.5 years. Yet, in 1 year alone, 4,000 people are dying out of traffic accidents, meaning this problem of road traffic accident is worse off than even serious epidemics like COVID-19. And therefore, I have had a discussion this morning with my counterpart, the Cabinet Secretary for Transport. And between us, the National Police Service Traffic Department, and the National Transport Safety Agency, NTSA, we must come with a program to rein in on the problem of road traffic accidents, enforce the law, and make sure that we bring down the numbers of our people that we are losing every year through road traffic